Hi guys, many of you have been commenting about the error that you are facing while running the command man to write. So you are getting the error that there is no manual page for write in the section 2. So today we'll see that how we can resolve this problem. So when you write this command man space 2 space write, so you probably get this error, no manual page entry. So what you need to do is you need to first run the command sudo apt get update. So you need to update your Linux or your Ubuntu if you are using. So once you run this update command, it will update the system. So do run it using the sudo command because you need to run this command as an administrator. So probably it will also ask you for the password. So enter the password of the current user. So whenever you run sudo for the first time, it will always ask you for the password. So once we have updated the system, next command that we need to run is we need to install GCC. So you need to run apt get install GCC. Alright, so this installation, first one thing is that it will install the compiler which you require for running the programs or for compiling the programs. And second thing is it will install all the manual pages for read, write and all those things. Alright, so the package GCC installed. Now if I run man to write, and there you see there is the manual page for the write system call. Similarly, you will get the manual page for other system calls also automatically. So you can see it's pretty straightforward, and now the problem is solved. Hope that all of you now will be able to overcome this issue. Still, if you are facing any issue, do comment and I'll try to address it. Do remember to subscribe and like if you are really enjoying the videos. See you in the next video.